Do you feel like your 100 note buys less and less every year? Prices go up, but your salary stays the same, and suddenly your budget starts to shrink. That's not your imagination. That's inflation. Welcome back to the Learning Studio, where we simplify economics through powerful whiteboard animations. In this ninth episode of our Fundamentals and Core Concepts series, we're breaking down: what is inflation? What causes it? What are its effects? And how do governments try to control it? Full economics playlist. It's linked below in the description. Let's dive in. What is inflation? Inflation is the general increase in prices of goods and services over time and a decrease in the purchasing power of money. If inflation is 6%, something that costs 100 this year will cost 106 next year. Some inflation is normal, but too much? It's dangerous. Too little? Also a problem. It's all about balance. What causes inflation? There are three major causes. 1. Demand pull inflation. When demand is greater than supply, prices rise. Example: everyone wants to buy laptops during work from home, but supply is limited, prices shoot up. Think too much money chasing too few goods. 2. Cost push inflation. When the cost of production increases, sellers raise prices. Example: fuel prices rise, transport becomes costlier, vegetables and goods become expensive. Common triggers: oil price hikes, wage increases, supply chain disruptions. 3. Built-in inflation. When businesses expect prices to rise, they increase wages, which increases production costs, which increases prices. It's a cycle of rising prices and wages, called the wage price spiral. What are the effects of inflation? Moderate inflation encourages spending and investment, keeps the economy active. High inflation hurts savings, money loses value, increases cost of living, affects the poor the most, creates uncertainty in business planning. Example: in Zimbabwe, 2008, hyperinflation reached 89.7 sextillion%. People carried money in bags to buy bread. Even 5 to 7% inflation can feel like a burden when wages don't grow equally. How do we control inflation? Governments and central banks use two main tools. Monetary policy, used by central banks, increase interest rates to reduce borrowing, reduce money supply in the economy. Example: RBI raising repo rate to cool down inflation. Fiscal policy, used by the government, reduce public spending, increase taxes to reduce disposable income. Both tools aim to reduce demand, stabilize prices, and maintain economic health. Famous quote: "Inflation is taxation without legislation," Milton Friedman. Inflation silently erodes your wealth, just like a hidden tax. Why you should care. Whether you're a student, investor, business owner, or job seeker, inflation affects everything: your savings, your salary, your grocery bill, even your future financial plans. Understanding it makes you smarter with money, budgeting, and planning. Coming up next, in the next episode, we'll cover unemployment, types, causes, and how it impacts the economy. So subscribe now, tap the bell, and keep learning from our full economics playlist below. This is the Learning Studio, where economics meets clarity and creativity.